This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Kay Alexander. If you are looking to get out to the country, yet be close to town, then this one might be for you. Spacious split floor plan, 4 bedrooms, with one room that could be a 5th bedroom or study/office. There is a large master bedroom with ensuite, 1 bedroom with an ensuite, and bedroom 2 and 3 share a Jack and Jill bathroom. This home boasts of lots of space for your family. Nice living room with wood-burning fireplace, large formal dining room, a family room off the kitchen. Separate laundry room that leads out to a deck that wraps from the side to the back of house. A 20 by 24 detached garage with concert floor and electricity, and a 12 by 16 storage shed with concert floor. Several pecan and fruit trees on property. Landscaped with a large basketball court and a 16 by 32 above ground pool. For more information.